Hi. It's a question of CAT 2021 slot 2. Now what's given here? A function is given and you're looking for the possible values of the x range. You're looking for the range here. Now look at the numerator and denominator. Try to convert both the numerator and denominator in the same terms. What do you mean by same terms? If you look at that numerator, it's x square plus 2x plus 4. Can we write it like this? X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 divided by, if you take 2 common, you can write it as x square plus 2x plus, let's say, 1 plus 7. Look at this term. This can be written equal to what? X plus 1 whole square plus 3. And if you look at the denominator, it's like 2 times of x plus 1 whole square plus 7. Can we write it like this? Plus, let's say, 6 plus 1. Now, if we assume that x plus 1 whole square plus 3 is equal to k. In that case, the numerator becomes how much? K. Denominator, if you look at this 2 common, we'll be left with what? K plus 1, k square, x plus 1 whole square plus 3. That means effectively it will be equal to k plus 1. Now, this is your value. We're looking for what? Minimum and maximum of this value. Look at the numerator carefully. It's k by, what's the denominator? It's twice of k plus 1. Only plus 1. If let's say k is close to infinity, then the denominator will be close to what? Twice of infinity and one more than that. That means this fraction can never become equal to half. It will always be less than half. If it's always less than half, you can easily eliminate this option. Yes or no? And you can easily eliminate this one also. 8 by 9 will be close to 1. That means now I'm left with what? The first and last option. And we know that half is not included. The answer should always be less than half. See, my answer would be either A or D. Now let's look at the minimum value of this one. This k upon 2k plus 1 can also be written as, if you divide numerator denominator both by k, it becomes 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 by k. Yes or no? Now let's talk about what? The minimum value of this one. If you want to minimize this, the denominator should be as large as possible. 2 plus 1 by k. You're looking for the highest value of this denominator. That means k should be as small as possible. K should be as small as possible. Now, what is the minimum value of k? If you look at this expression, we know that x plus 1 whole square plus 3. And it's a perfect square. The minimum value of x plus 1 whole square will be how much? 0. That means the minimum value of k should be what? 3. So if you're looking for the minimum value of this fraction, k should be as small as possible. And we know that the minimum value of k is 3. When you put k equal to 3 here, what do you get? 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 3. This gives you effectively 1 upon 7 by 3 or 3 by 7. So it's sure that 3 by 7 is included, but half is not included. So using that logic, I can say my answer is what? First option.